So I decided to switch out my sockets to my dune buggy taillights to a 3157 type socket, something like Chevys have. My Chevy Trailblazer SS has these. So I've got at least 10 bulbs laying around. Another reason, because this acts as a ground, and I don't like that, because if you have to, you know, put a ground strap here, and if it gets loose or cut, that could be a problem as well. So I designed a little grommet to fit the 3157 bulb. Holds in there really nice. Should be good to go. And this is the drilled out portion. This is what it'll end up being. And then the groove in there will sit in here. See if I can put it in on camera. I designed everything in Fusion 360. I actually had to replicate this in Fusion 360 because there was no 3D model available, and if there was, it was not this type. So I just decided to take an hour and make it myself. You kind of see the grooves in there that match the outside of the socket. So let's see if I can get this. And that is what it will be like inside. It's 3D printed with NinjaFlex. I had some laying around a couple of years ago I never used. Prints great. Rated up to 225 degrees Celsius, so should be good on that. Another thing I might do, maybe not on this one, might either have to buff this out or paint it with, I don't know, chrome or something, clean the inside up in there, more reflective, buff the outside a little bit. But that's the newest addition to the dune buggy. I'll show it up on the screen now. So yeah, till next time.